It's going right now. Hi. Pull your shirt down. Thank you. In the back, too. Thank you. Are you going to put all the blocks up where they go?
Yeah. I'm going to scoop all of them.
You're going to scoop blocks, too? Wow.
I'm going to put them in the pile before I get all of them all at one time. Hey, watch this. Watch this. This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. You're going to love this. But first, I'm going to have to put it in a pile before I do things.
Oh, that's a good technique right there.
What?
That's good technique right there.
Wait. That ain't how we do it.
Whoa. You got muscles?
I think I want to do that again.
Okie dokie. Whoa. Whoa. Way to go.
I'm gonna keep on doing that.
Alright.
But first I gotta get all the blocks.
We're watching. Me and the video camera. We're watching.
I wanted a big old video. A long video.
I like how you're putting stuff where it goes.
I want it to be about this long.
I didn't know you had ketchup on your face, baby. Alright, finish up.
Okay.
Let's see it, magic woman.
Magic?
Yeah.
What's all about the magic things?
Well, I just think you're fantastic.
Thanks. Because I am magic, really.
You are.
Say, what's up with the magic?
I figured picking up like that has got to be some kind of magic trick.
It is a magic trick. Watch this. This is going to be a cool trick.
Whoa.
I stand it on my hands and then
Can you stand on your hands for a long time?
No.
No.
I can only do it a short time. Watch this.
Whoa.
Watch this.
Oh, go Tatum, go. All right.
My
That didn't hurt when you landed on them toys?
No.
No.
My sister was on my feet and then she rolled it off on my feet when I landed my feet on the ground. Oh, watch this. My sister's going to be on my toe.
Your pretend sister?
See, she was rolling on my toe. Whoa. What was I thinking? I'm going to do that again. I think I can do that again. That's funny.
Great.
That's the funnest part.
Great job.
These are the funnest parts.
That's the funnest part.
All
It-
of these
It's
are
probably the most fun is what we would say.
These are all the most fun.
There you go. You're such a pretty little girl.
Because now nights I want to do this.
Now nights you're going to do this?
Yes, now nights I want to do this.
Do what?
Do this. Get a big bunk of toys.
Isn't that what you usually do?
No,
Only sometimes.
I never did it before.
You used to do it. You mean with the blocks.
Yeah,
Good job.
I only did it a little bit with the toys.
Good
Now
job.
let's push it in.
Way to go.
Wait.
Whoa, Ninja.
Now watch this one. This one's going to be a harder one. This one's going to be a ninja.
You should drag the basket closer to the pile. That's what my trick would be.
Hey, watch this.
Alright.
Watch this.
Oh, goodness.
Do you see that?
Yeah, it was so fast I barely saw it. You look, your hair looks crazy. You got ketchup on your face. Bless your heart. Come, we do have to hurry up because it's bath time. Hey, it's bath time. We need to hurry up, okay?
I'm doing a ninja thing.
Whoa, my goodness.
Watch this. I could stock a whole pile of books up. A whole pile.
Wow.
And hold it all at one time. You're going to laugh. This is going to be funny.
So what are you going to do now that you're out of school?
I'm just going to have fun and do tricks from now on and do is play and do dress up and play with the baby sisters. Play with my baby sisters and play with you and play outside and play with Papa and Uncle Luke and go to my friends' houses and everything.
Yeah.
All the stuff I want to do.
Do you like yard selling?
Yeah, I do. We're going to go yard selling too. Yard.
Cool.
But the babies are coming too. But you'll have to get me some cool toys.
I have to get you some cool toys.
Yeah. Like stuffed animals.
Can you get that? Oh my goodness, look at those muscles, girl.
Hey, feel my muscle.
Let me see that muscle. Let me see. Oh my goodness, that's a big old muscle. Big old tater tot muscle. You can't see yourself. I can't turn it around while you're on here. Here.